Today, I am reviewing the Beelink EQR Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To understand why this mini PC stands out, you have to look at the heart of the machine, which is the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor. This chip features 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of boosting all the way up to 4.9 GHz. In real-world usage, this translates to an absolute powerhouse of responsiveness. When you boot up the system, it loads into the operating system almost instantly. Launching heavy, demanding software suites happens without the slightest stutter. If you're someone who works with massive, data-heavy Excel spreadsheets, runs multiple virtual machines for development environments, or processes large batches of photos, this processor handles it all without breaking a sweat. The multi-threaded performance ensures that even when the background tasks are piling up, the foreground application remains perfectly fluid and snappy. Complementing this high-end processor is an incredibly robust memory and storage configuration. Out of the box, Beelink has equipped this specific model with 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM running at a blazing fast 4,800 MHz. Having 32 GB of modern DDR5 memory means you can essentially forget about memory management altogether. You can leave dozens of browser tabs open in the background while compiling code, rendering a video project, or participating in a high-definition video conference, and the system never bogs down or runs out of breathing room. If your workflows scale up even further in the future, the dual-channel memory is fully expandable up to 64 GB, giving this machine excellent long-term relevance. For storage, it comes with a 500 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive. File transfers happen at blistering speeds, and the system feels incredibly agile. What makes the storage setup even better is the internal expansion capability. The motherboard features dual M.2 slots, meaning you can easily add more high-speed storage as your library of files grows, supporting up to a massive 8 TB of total internal capacity. Graphics performance on mini PCs has historically been a major weak point, but the integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics inside this Ryzen 9 chip changed the narrative completely. Built on the modern RDNA 2 architecture, the Radeon 680M provides graphical capabilities that easily outclass older integrated graphic solutions. While it is not a dedicated gaming rig meant for maxed-out AAA titles at 4K resolution, it is surprisingly capable. You can comfortably play popular esports titles and modern games at 1080p resolution with smooth, playable frame rates if you adjust the settings appropriately. More importantly for professionals, this graphical horsepower translates directly into seamless video editing workflows, smooth timeline scrubbing, and fast rendering times in applications like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. The physical display capabilities are equally impressive. With dual HDMI ports on the back, the Beelink EQR supports running 2 separate 4K displays simultaneously at a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. For anyone looking to maximize their workspace efficiency, this dual-screen support is a game-changer. You can have a dense layout of source material, documents, or communication apps open on one monitor while actively designing, editing, or writing code on the second screen. The visual output is crisp, clear, and perfectly stable, ensuring that your eyes do not get fatigued during marathon work sessions. One of the biggest engineering hurdles for any mini PC manufacturer is managing heat and noise inside such a confined space. High-performance processors generate significant heat, and traditional tiny fans often have to spin at deafening speeds to keep things cool. Beelink has engineered an elegant solution to this problem with their brand new MSC2.0 Cooling System. This advanced thermal setup combines a premium vapor chamber with optimized internal air ducts and a highly efficient, low-speed silent fan. In practice, the thermal management is phenomenal. Even under heavy, sustained processing loads, the cooling system keeps the internal temperatures well within safe limits, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring that performance remains rock-solid over hours of continuous use. The best part is the acoustics. The fan operates at an incredibly quiet volume, staying under 32 decibels. In an average room, it is virtually imperceptible, making it an excellent choice for quiet home studios or distraction-free office environments. Furthermore, Beelink implemented a smart dust-proof design featuring a breathable metal mesh at the bottom of the chassis. This keeps dust and debris out of the internal components, which is crucial for maintaining cooling efficiency and hardware longevity over the years. Connectivity is another area where this machine punches far above its weight class. The rear and front I/O panels are packed with a versatile array of ports that allow you to build a completely clutter-free yet highly functional workspace. For networking, you get dual Gigabit LAN ports, which is a fantastic addition for power users who want to set up advanced network configurations, create a secure home server, or maintain a dedicated hardware firewall. On the wireless side, the system is equipped with modern Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, providing lightning-fast wireless internet speeds and a rock-solid connection for your wireless mice, keyboards, and audio peripherals. The physical port selection includes one high-speed USB-C port pushing 10 gigabits per second, 3 USB 3 ports also running at 10 gigabits per second for fast external drive transfers, a standard USB 2.0 port perfectly suited for a wireless peripheral dongle, the two previously mentioned 4K HDMI ports, and a convenient 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones or speakers. You will not find yourself constantly swapping cables or needing to buy annoying external docks just to plug in your daily accessories. Manufactured by Shenzhen AZW Technology, the build quality feels premium, sturdy, and exceptionally well-engineered. The aesthetic is clean and professional, allowing it to blend seamlessly onto any desktop, whether it is sitting in a corporate boardroom or a creative home studio. It frees up an immense amount of physical desk space compared to a traditional desktop tower, giving you a clean, minimalist environment that fosters focus and productivity. In conclusion, the Beelink EQR Mini PC with a Ryzen 9 6900HX processor is an absolute triumph of small form factor computing. It successfully marries top-tier processing power, generous and fast DDR5 memory, expandable high-speed storage, capable graphics, and comprehensive connectivity into a whisper-quiet, incredibly compact package. Whether you are an office professional looking to supercharge your daily productivity, a digital creator needing a compact video editing station, or a tech enthusiast looking for a capable and efficient daily driver, this mini PC delivers premium performance without compromise. It is a reliable, powerful, and future-proof desktop solution that earns a wholehearted recommendation.